Most people are deploying AI agents that are one bad conversation away from a massive lawsuit. Now, I've deployed over 500 AI agents over the last few years, and we've never had any bad conversations. Ever. And the reason is that before my agents talk to a single human, we run them through hundreds and thousands of simulations, testing every possible scenario. So when it comes time to deploy these live, they're already battle tested and the good experience is guaranteed. So today I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that and start telling your clients that you have some of the best AI agents on the planet and put their minds at ease because they know that you've run simulations on them. This will separate you from everybody else selling AI agents. So let's jump into it. Now, the software that I use to build my voice agents is something called Go High Level. It's probably the greatest tool that exists for starting an AI agency. I talk all about it in my channel. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can start a 30-day free trial. But for now, just focus and follow along. So what we do is inside of their voice AI agent builder over here, I'm going to open up one of the agents that we actually have, and I'm going to show you this ability. Now, I don't want to sit there actually calling this receptionist over and over again, trying to ask it different questions, pretend to be different people. So instead, the software allows us to generate these scenarios. So the first thing we're going to do over here is click on Generate Scenarios. Now what it's going to do is it's going to read the prompt of your AI agent and actually figure out what are common things that people might ask or issues that this receptionist needs to handle. It's going to come up with those scenarios here. I've just chose 5 over here, but you can do as many as you'd like. So now it came up with these scenarios. So number 1 is a leaking water heater. So this is pretty common, right? So now it's going to pretend to be somebody who has a water heater that's leaking. And it's going to see how my agent actually handles that situation and does it do well or not. Next is it's going to start asking pricing for drain cleaning and a quote follow-up. It's going to act as that person. This one is going to test something that doesn't actually make sense. It's going to request a appointment for yesterday. So it's going to see, does the agent get confused? How is it going to handle that? Then it might be somebody who wants to speak to a human and gets transferred. So you get the idea, right? So you can have as many of these simulations and these scenarios as possible. And then all we have to do is click on Run 5 calls in the top right-hand corner and click on Continue. And it's going to actually run this. It's going to simulate these phone calls, see how our agent responds, and then give us feedback based on that. So this is exactly what's happening over here. Now, intentionally, this is actually a very poor receptionist because I want to show you the difference of how it actually handles these things. And it should fail a lot of these tests. And what's going to happen is we're going to improve this prompt based on how it performed inside of these simulations. So I'm going to let these simulations run, and then we're going to see at the end. All right, so the simulations and the tests have been completed. Now we can actually see the results. If you look at here, the first call, this was about the leaking water heater. So you can see the entire transcript of the call, how it actually performed. And we can see here at the very top, 15 of these simulations passed, 13 of them failed. So that's actually really good learning. So we need to know how we can fix this, right? Now you can go through these, you can read these transcripts, see how it performed, and then make your judgments, right? But we don't actually want to sit there tweaking these prompts ourselves or reading through all these transcripts. So we can just click on Improvise in the top right hand corner, and what it's going to do is it's going to take all the learnings from those simulations and actually improve the prompt automatically so this never happens again. So I'm going to let it optimize now and we'll see what changes it actually makes. And now you can see that it's starting the optimization. So it's analyzing the 5 failed calls over here. It's doing its thing here, so we don't need to worry about it. We can go grab a coffee, we can go get lunch, and when we come back, our agent is going to be improved and far better than when we left it. All right, so now it's ready. So we can see the prompt that it's written and the corrections that it's made. So here you can highlight the differences that it added. So it wasn't happy with my greeting, for example. So it added its own opening greeting there, which is really cool. It added these sentences over here about what's been changed. You can actually look at them side by side. So you can see the old prompt versus the new one, what it rewrote, what it added, what it removed. So this one is far more in depth, which I really like. Here you can see the reasoning behind it on, if you care about, what happens behind the scenes. But if you're happy with this, all you have to do is click on Use Prompt, use this prompt, and this is automatically updated. Now your prompt is going to be far better. And now you have to keep repeating this. Run this a couple more times, do some more scenarios, more tests, until you get a prompt that has almost a close to 100% success rate. And then trust me, when you make this live, the experience is going to be phenomenal. And this is exactly what I do for my prompts. And you can use this inside of Go High Level. So Go High Level is this amazing software that I build all of my AI agents on. If you want to actually try your hand at building these agents and having access to this tool, then I actually have an extended free trial, which you can use. You can just use the link in the description. It looks just like this. Normally they just give you a 14-day free trial, but for my audience, they allow me to give an extra 2 weeks so you can enjoy 30 days free. Try it out and build your first agent. If you have no idea how to build an agent, don't worry, because when you do start that free trial, you get access to my course over here, which teaches you exactly how to use Go High Level and start your own AI automation agency. So we cover everything from learning the software to getting paying clients to actually building these automations. If you need help forming your business, your logo, your website, all of that will be done for you inside of my free course. We even do live calls as well, so you can come and join our weekly Q&A, ask any questions, message me. Whatever you need, you get access to this. So 30-day free trial plus all those resources, the free course and weekly calls. All you got to do is use the link in the description, sign up, start your free trial. Make sure you have a credit card on hand. It won't charge you from day one, but they just need a card on file to actually initiate the trial. This is a billion-dollar company and I've been using them for 5 years, so I trust them and I can vouch for this software. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. I'm more than happy to answer them, and I'll see you inside the private group. Take care.